credit cousins, have you seen your credit score fluctuate and have no idea why? If so, keep watching to learn why it may have gone up, and down again. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm designer Soapbox, and we talk about how to build credit, get high limit credit cards, how to make money online, and so much more. If you find this channel of any value, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment down, "Hey credit cousins," and I'll make sure to say hey back to all my credit cousins. So, as a responsible adult, our credit score is very important to us, and that 3-digit number plays a huge part in our financial world. Most of us track and keep up with our credit scores in credit reporting. If you're tracking your credit scores over time, you may notice your score may change. In most cases, your score may have changed up and down due to credit repair if you are in the process of disputing negative items off your credit report. However, let's say you are not doing credit repair and your credit score just seems to fluctuate over time and you have no idea why. Well, in most cases, credit reporting companies like MyFICO, Experian, and even Credit Karma will show your FICO or Vantage score, but will update your score bi-weekly or daily with the reason of why it has been updated, and also with an updated credit score along with the number of points dropped or increased. It can be very scary when you get an alert saying your credit score dropped 30 points and you have been paying your bills and using your credit responsibly. Let's talk about some factors that will cause your credit score to fluctuate so that you can get a better hand in control of your credit. Payment history. Making payment history on your credit card account can cause fluctuation in credit scores because payment history is one of the largest factors used to calculate credit scores. If you make payments on your credit cards or installment loans, your payment history may be reported to the credit bureaus, which may cause changes in credit scores. Your debt to income ratio is how much of your available credit you're using, and it also factors into credit scores and may cause credit scores to fluctuate. For instance, if your credit card balance changes month to month and the amount of the available credit you're using changes, you may see fluctuations in credit scores as well. Payments may also impact your debt to credit ratio and may also cause credit scores to change. Your debt to credit ratio takes into account of all of your available credit versus the total of your balances owed. The different scoring systems plays a huge part as well. Some lenders may use credit scores that are specific to a certain industry, which differ based on industries and are not the same score as you may receive from one of the 3 nationwide credit bureaus. For instance, if you're buying a car, the lender may look closely at your payment history regarding your auto loans. While your credit score fluctuation is normal, it's important to ensure that changes don't result from inaccurate or incomplete information on your credit reports. It's a good idea to regularly review your credit reports from nationwide credit bureaus. Remember, you can still get your free weekly credit reports from the credit bureau annualreportcredit.com. Due to the pandemic, they are still allowing you to get a free weekly copy of your credit report. So credit cousins, I hope this gave you a better insight on how your credit score can fluctuate. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and that will tell me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or any tips, if you're comfortable, so other credit cousins can learn more about it. Remember, this channel is all about learning from each other, and I look forward to your feedback. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye. Credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, and collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.